As the Delta variant is ripping through the unvaccinated and causing crowding in hospitals, Singing River Health System CEO Lee Bond joins us right now to speak on the severity of what frontliners are seeing this week. And what a week it's been, Lee. Thanks so much for being with us on the 4 o'clock show. 1,154 cases statewide in the hospital. You guys are over 100. How critical is this right now?
It's whatever the highest level is, it's there. It's bad.
And what is the domino effect when your doctors and nurses and your staff is so busy caring for COVID patients? How is that impacting other critical care, like the emergency room? What are you seeing in those areas?
It impacts it tremendously. I mean, all resources are strained, not just here, throughout the entire state. I think this morning there were like 6 ICU beds available in the state, and that's a bit of a misnomer because people are holding ICU level people in ERs all over the state and in South Alabama and Louisiana. So it absolutely is putting a strain on regular health care with the influx of COVID. Everyone is stretched to the hilt, everyone.
And that's the physical plant, the hospital. What about the human component? The people, your doctors and nurses, and what they've seen this week?
I have seen things with my eyes that I wish, images that'll be there forever. And our nurses have seen things that are just unconscionable. We've seen people very young. Our last 3 deaths have all been people under 50. Under 55. We've had it's been tough, and you see a lot of regret, a lot of families suffering. Because they wish that, their loved one had been vaccinated. We love all, serve all. We don't want to shame anybody on not being vaccinated, but we're really encouraging people to do that. You can almost guarantee that you won't be hospitalized if you would get vaccinated. It's a tough death. We're able to save, for every 100 we save, there's one who doesn't make it. And the stress mentally on our nurses and respiratory therapists and techs, the stress on them is unimaginable.
And finally, Lee, we're going to have more on this. We're going to actually tell people where they're being set up, these vaccination sites. But Singing River is getting very proactive. You're getting out there in the community. You're doing events. Why is that important from your point of view?
Well, we're doing everything we can to save as many lives as we can, so we want to try to make it easy. It's tough. Some of our resources that could be vaccinating are working in the ICUs and the ERs and the clinics right now, but we have at the Healthplex over in Pascagoula and at the campus at Cedar River Gulfport and Cedar Lake Clinic the ability to get vaccinated. We're doing pop-up sites, and just call us. We'll do anything we can to try to help get you vaccinated. We might not be as fast as we were a little while back, but we're doing everything we can to save lives. And I would just ask the world to please, pray for stamina for our nursing staff. They're going through it's unimaginable. I wish people could spend a few hours with me and see how tough it is right now. It's tough.
Lee Bond, very sobering story, but it's very real, and people need to know that. CEO of Singing River Health System. Good to see you, Lee, and thanks for being with us.
COVID is real, and as a community, we must reduce its impact. We need you. We need your commitment in the face of this storm to do what it takes to stop it in its tracks.